Vanakkam friends, welcome back again on the same day to complete our analysis on Bank Nifty for next week. For this, I have opened Bank Nifty charts, marked a few areas as support and resistances. Along with that, I have drawn a Fibonacci retracement connecting the highs and lows of last week. So this was the channel breakout which we were discussing during last week, and on Monday it gave a breakout about that particular channel, and then Bank Nifty fired almost 2500 points from Monday's low. So if you consider here, Monday's low is 35,526 and yesterday's high is 38,134, which means almost 2600 point move has been completed in Bank Nifty within 5 trading sessions. So now after this we could expect some consolidation. Consolidation in the sense, for Bank Nifty it means a minimum of 500 points decline or range bound movement. This is what we call as consolidation for Bank Nifty. It is not Nifty, this is Bank Nifty. So a consolidation range will be at least for 500 points. On Friday itself, we have seen Bank Nifty dropping near 37,400 levels and then climbing back again nearly 350-400 points higher. Finally, we managed to close somewhere at 37,750. Now, if we are breaking the Friday's high, the next immediate resistance is at 38,244, which I have marked here, above which there is no resistance until next 900 points. Till next 900 points we don't have any resistance. The next resistance comes only at 39,111. Before that, we can consider the psychological mark of 39,000 as a minor hurdle, but definitely it will get taken out and it will show 39,111, provided this immediate resistance is crossed and sustained at least on 1 hour time frame. 1 hour time frame in the sense, I mean close must be above 38,244 on 1 hour time frame. This is the way I mean by sustaining above this particular level. Okay. So based on this, I have drawn two support areas, which is the earlier breakout zone before this fall. Earlier breakout zone is this particular top point, that is 37,576. And then on Fibonacci retracement, I have considered 38.2 retracement as one support zone, which is 37,140. These two areas will act as supports. The second one will be the strong support for next complete week. Why? Because we don't have any banking stocks which are coming out with results during next week. Only HDFC Bank is coming with results, that too on Saturday. So the reaction will be only on next Monday. Next Monday in the sense, the date I am meaning 17th of January will be the reaction of HDFC Bank results. Before that, we will not see any significant fall in Bank Nifty. Why? Because HDFC Bank always march ahead before the results. On result day, it would make a top or bottom and then go on the other direction. This I have mentioned during last quarter results itself. Exactly the next trading day after HDFC Bank results, it made a top somewhere around 1714 or 1715, something like that, and then it dropped all the way to 1415, and then he is coming back again to 1560 odd levels right now, 1555, 1560 odd levels. If my guess is correct, markets will be, especially Bank Nifty, will be operated through HDFC Bank ahead of its results. And along with this, we can see ICICI Bank also giving company, so that Bank Nifty will not see any major fall on downside. We could see a minor fall which can come around 37,576, which is our first support, or even to the second support in intraday basis, and then definitely it will climb higher. So this is how we are expecting Bank Nifty to perform during next week. Based on this, I have taken one call option into consideration. 38,000 call option, the last week close price was 320. It's not close price, the last tick price. Actually, the closing price would be a bit different, because we had a last 10-minute rally on Friday, just because HDFC Bank has moved. In last 10 minutes, HDFC Bank has moved nearly 1% on that particular day. So that's the reason it is showing like this. If my calculation is correct, the approximate closing price would be somewhere in between 280 to 290. So keep this in your radar and buy this particular 38,000 call, either if our first support comes, or you may even take a bit of risk and try to take somewhere near 150 zones. 150 zones to 170 will be the ideal price. Why? Because 150 to 170 means our loss will be not more than 4,000 rupees. It is worth taking. Why I am suggesting it is, the moment he sustains above 38,244, the next target is 39,111, which means that 38,000 call has a potential to touch even 1,000 rupees. I would not say that it will touch 1,000 rupees. It has a potential to touch even 1,000 rupees. So if we are taking a risk of 4,000 rupees, and if our returns are supposed to be nearly 16,000 to 18,000 rupees, 20,000 rupees, it is worth taking. That is the reason I am suggesting to take this particular stuff, 38,000 call, somewhere in between 150 to 170, and try to enjoy the ride if Bank Nifty moves on the upside direction. As far as history is concerned, HDFC Bank very, very, very rarely fall ahead of its results. So it will keep on rallying at least till the results is out. And one day after the result, it will make a top and then fall from there again. This is the history of HDFC Bank, and the same way it will happen vice versa. Before results, if HDFC Bank is falling like anything, you can simply buy a call option on the for the next week after HDFC Bank results, because after results it will create a bottom and then fire from there. This is what will happen in HDFC Bank. Okay, now let's not confuse about that. Why? Because HDFC Bank's results are due only on next week Saturday, so we need not worry about it as of now. As of now, we can concentrate only on the charts. As per the charts, if our first support comes 37,576 or 500 odd levels, we are good to buy a 38,000 call and take a risk of approximately 4,000 rupees for a reward of maybe 20,000 rupees. If it works, fine. If it not works, we are losing 4,000 rupees, right? So newcomers, please subscribe our channel. In the description, all our Telegram channel links are available. You can subscribe to them and stay tuned over there. We have an exclusive Telegram group for clarifying queries of members who are trapped in their personal positions, not the position which we are suggesting. They would have taken the position on their own, but unfortunately it would have gone on the opposite direction. So if those kind of people won't require any help, you can ping me in the queries group. All your queries will be answered, whatever it may be, will be answered in 24 hours timeline. Thank you all. Have a good day. Bye.